Bubu and Lulu. Hello, kids. Welcome to the Alphabet Guess Animals Silhouettes with Animals Adventure. Today, we're going on a super fun journey to meet amazing animals from A to Z. Each letter has its own special animal. Are you ready to guess? Let's get started. Question 1. Can you tell me what animal is this? A. Ant. Look, it's an ant. Did you know ants can carry things much heavier than they are? They're like little superheroes. Question 2. Can you tell me what animal is this? B. Bear. Wow, here's a big cuddly bear. Bears give the best, biggest hugs. Can you give a big bear hug too? Question 3. Can you tell me what animal is this? C. Cat. Meow, it's a playful cat. Look how fast it chases that yarn ball. So speedy. Question 4. Can you tell me what animal is this? D. Dog. Woof woof, here comes a dog. They love to play fetch. Let's throw the ball. Fetch, puppy. Question 5. Can you tell me what animal is this? E. Elephant. Whoa, it's an elephant. Look at its trunk. Spray, splash. It's like a water hose. Question 6. Can you tell me what animal is this? F. Frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Look at the frog jump. How high can you jump like a froggy? Question 7. Can you tell me what animal is this? G. Goat. Say hello to the goat. Goats love to nibble on everything. Watch out for your snacks. Question 8. Can you tell me what animal is this? H. Horse. Clippity-clop, it's a horse. Look how fast it gallops. Can you pretend to gallop too? Question 9. Can you tell me what animal is this? I. Iguana. Here's an iguana. It climbs trees like a ninja. How cool is that? Question 10. Can you tell me what animal is this? J. Jaguar. Shh, here's a jaguar. It's super sneaky and quick, ready to pounce. Question 11. Can you tell me what animal is this? K. Kangaroo. Boing boing, it's a kangaroo. Look at it bounce with its big tail. Can you hop like a kangaroo? Question 12. Can you tell me what animal is this? L. Lion. Roar, it's the king of the jungle, a lion. Look at that big fluffy mane. Question 13. Can you tell me what animal is this? M. Monkey. Swing, swing, it's a monkey. They're so good at climbing and swinging. Can you swing your arms too? Question 14. Can you tell me what animal is this? Narwhal. Narwhals love swimming in the cold Arctic waters. Can you wiggle your arms like you're swimming, just like this narwhal? Question 15. Can you tell me what animal is this? Oh, ostrich. Hoo! Did you know ostriches are the fastest runners of all birds? Question 16. Can you tell me what animal is this? P. Penguin. Waddle, waddle. It's a penguin. Look how it slides on the ice. Whee! Question 17. Can you tell me what animal is this? Q. Quail. Check out the quail. It's got a funny little feather on its head, so fancy. Question 18. Can you tell me what animal is this? R. Rabbit. Hop, hop, it's a rabbit. Look how fast it hops, just like a bouncing ball. Question 19. Can you tell me what animal is this? S. Spider. Can you imagine making your own house with just a thread? That's what spiders do every day. Question 20. Can you tell me what animal is this? T. Tiger. Grr, it's a tiger. Look at those stripes. They're like a cool camouflage. Can you tell me what animal is this? Uriel. Wow, it's an uriel. Look at its curly horns. They twist and turn like a spiral. Can you tell me what animal is this? Via vulture. Here's a vulture gliding high in the sky. It's like a plane with feathers. Can you tell me what animal is this? Whale. Whoosh, it's a whale. Listen to it sing underwater. It's like a beautiful song. Can you tell me what animal is this? X-ray, tetra. Wow, an X-ray tetra. You can almost see through its shiny body. How amazing is that? Can you tell me what animal is this? Y. Yak. Brr, it's a yak. Its furry coat keeps it cozy and warm in the cold. Can you tell me what animal is this? Z. Zebra. Look at the zebra. Its stripes are so cool, like a black and white puzzle. Wow, kids, what an amazing guessing and adventure we've had today. We met so many fun animals, from A to Z. Thank you for joining us on this alphabet animal silhouettes and adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you won't miss our next exciting journey. See you soon. Bye-bye.